In this video, we're going to be testing if we can use the Cricut Mini Easypress to do sublimation. Let's get into the video and find out. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut, sublimation, and kid craft videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, turning the bell notification so you'll never miss a video, and let's jump right in. So for anyone who's not familiar, this is the Cricut Easypress. It retails for $69.99, but you can sometimes find it for like 47 bucks around there. It has 3 heat settings, and it's supposed to be compatible with infusible ink, which is kind of like Cricut's version of sublimation kind of. So to turn it on, we're going to press it 3 times to get to the 2, 3 highest setting, and we're going to wait for it to, we're going to put that to the side and just wait for it to heat up. So for this, I decided to use a small design since the Easypress is small. I wanted to use something small to target the area well. So we're going to have our heat pad. Very important when you're using your Cricut Easypress or your Mini. I'm just going to use the shirt that I used for the comparison of the A-Sub and Text Print R. If you want to go see that comparison, I'll leave the link to the video in the cards so you can check that out. So I'm just gonna put the shirt on the heat pad. We're gonna get some butcher paper. I buy my butcher paper from Amazon. It is $12 for a big roll. I've had this for almost a year now, and I still have a good amount, as you can see. So the Easypress heated up already. It heats up really fast. So because I'm doing a small design, I don't need a big area, so I'm going to cut a butcher paper about this size, and I'm going to put it inside between the shirt and the heating pad, so that if you're new here, this helps prevent the sublimation ink to go onto the mat and ruin the mat. That image will be on the mat if you don't pun this. So we're going to pun our piece of butcher paper. We are going to get a lint roller, and lint rollers are very inexpensive. This one's at Walmart for $3, and I've had it for a while now. Or you can buy one at Dollar Tree for $1, but it's way smaller. So you're going to lint roll. If you're new to sublimation, you need to lint roll so that you can get all the dust on it in the lint. If you do not do this, the lint will turn blue with sublimation. So make sure you're lint rolling where you're placing it. Okay, so now we're going to take our heat tape. This is the heat tape I use. It's from Amazon. It comes in a 5-pack, different sizes. I have it linked down below. This is the dispenser I use. It goes for big heat tape and small regular tape. So we're going to take some heat tape and we're going to tape down our design. I'm not going to worry about whether it's straight or not because this is just a test. Take some heat tape. I'm just going to tape down each side so that it does not shift, causing ghosting. You can heat press the area before to kind of reduce ghosting. So then we're going to take our piece of butcher paper. We're going to put it on top. And then we're going to take our heat press. And this heat, the Cricut Mini does not have a timer. So I'm going to put a timer on my Apple Watch. I'm putting a timer for 1 minute. So 60 seconds. So we're going to put it down. And then we're going to put our timer. So I'm going to lift it up and I'm going to move it to a different area of the design. And I'm putting another timer for 60 seconds. Okay, I'm going to lift it up and I'm going to see if there's any part of the design that I'm missing. There is. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to press it on that other part. And I'm going to repeat my timer for 60 seconds. So normally when you use the Cricut Mini Easypress, the Easypress Mini, you kind of rotate it with HTV and you don't leave it in one spot, but because we're doing sublimation, we don't want ghosting, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just leaving it in one spot for 60 seconds. Okay, so now we're going to lift up our butcher paper and you can see the design coming through, so I think it worked. So now I'm just going to press down on one corner, lift it up and see. Let's see. Oh, it worked, you guys. It worked. This is how much is still left on the paper. This is Text Print R paper. There's still a good amount of ink, but it released really well, you guys. Look at that. Woo! Look at that. I am really impressed with how well it's sublimated. There's no ghosting. It looks really, really good. Ooh, look at that, Mr. Cricut Easypress. Yes. I was actually really impressed with how well the Cricut Easypress Mini was able to sublimate on this. It's so good, so well. So if you have like a small design that you're sublimating on a shirt, like, I don't know, like a logo on a pocket or something, Easypress coming through. Or if you want it to sublimate on a ribbon maybe, and do like each section one by one, and you didn't have a heat press, Easypress Mini, awesome. Like, I'm impressed that it can actually sublimate so well. Like, the colors coming through so well, so well. So let me know down below if you've ever even thought about sublimating with a Cricut Easypress. Is that even a thought that came across your mind? Because I have, and now I know, and I'm really impressed. So I'll have the Cricut Easypress Mini linked down below in case you want to purchase one. It's it comes very in handy. If you're doing some masks and you want to put HTV on it, it comes in handy. Any small projects, handy. Reverse canvas, comes super in handy. Anywho, I'm really impressed. Let me know down below if you're impressed as well and what you thought. Like, are you going to use the Cricut Easypress Mini to do any sublimation projects? Let me know down below. So if you ever want to find out what things and tools I use for sublimation, they're always linked down below in the description, so you can check those out. They're on Amazon, easy to find. If you have Prime, they come extra quick. Also, make sure to check out my sublimation playlist. It will be linked in the cards above. You can click that little circle that kind of has like what looks like an eye on it, like the letter I on it. Make sure to check out my video where I compare text print R paper and A sub paper. That also be linked in the cards above.